We all love the arrival of a new gadget, which will make life more entertaining and convenient. However, staying up to date with the ever-growing, forever-changing tech space can take time and effort. That's where we come in. Just for you, we've put together some of the most interesting and innovative bits of tech out there. Stay till the end to find out. Welcome to our channel. This video will discuss the 5 coolest tech gadgets you can acquire, so keep watching. Number 1. Sony WH-1000XM5s. In 2018, Sony released one of the best pairs of headphones available, WH-1000XM3s. Since then, we've seen the XM4s, and Sony has followed up with the XM5s. If you ignore the painfully dull naming conventions, these are some of the best headphones around, like their predecessors. Scoring 5-star reviews all around, the Sony WH-1000XM5s is very much designed for those who would rather not splurge on a pair of Apple AirPod Max headphones. In terms of specs and audio, these are extremely similar to the previous renditions. They offer market-leading audio across the lows, mids, and highs, excellent noise cancellation, and an array of smart ambient features. The biggest difference with these headphones is the design, offering a completely new look to their predecessor, more minimalist and lighter too. Number 2. Sonon Arc Soundbar. Offering up a hard-to-beat balance of features, design, ease of use, and performance, the Sonon Arc, the company's first Atmos soundbar, is an easy product to love. Very few soundbars out there do so much and so well. It's our pick for the best soundbar. No matter what you're watching, it sounds superb. There's a stunning clarity to dialogue, a fullness to the bass, and stacks of detail across the frequency range. But when you listen to an Atmos soundtrack, you hear the added breadth and depth you'd expect from a more immersive 3D soundstage. With sound effects placed precisely around and above you, delivered by the Arc's carefully angled drivers. Of course, it'll fit into a wider Sonos multi-room system if you have other Sonos speakers, or act as a great sound system for crisp, expressive music playback. Its size means you'll probably want a 55-inch TV or larger, as it'll dwarf anything smaller. Number 3. Arlo Video Doorbell. Offering a great balance between price, premium features, and usability, Arlo's Video Doorbell is our top choice for the best video doorbell. This is one if you want a high-quality smart doorbell that works reliably without being annoying. To standout feature, telling the difference between people, animals, vehicles, and packages, and only sending you the notifications you want means you don't get an alert every time a strong breeze sends a plastic bag down the street. Being able to create motion zones, you get alerted only when someone or the neighbor's cat is in them, and the option to turn off alerts when you're home while you'll be using the location of your phone to figure out this ensures a smart doorbell doesn't just become another electronic annoyance, but a useful security tool. Along with a nice square video shape that shows you more of your doorstep than most, it is preferable because it has a built-in siren you can set off from the app if you spot someone suspicious. Another thing that it sets it on top of the pile is answering machine option. While no one ever left us a message outside of testing, possibly because most people aren't used to talking to a doorbell, we can see potential here as smart doorbells gain popularity. Number 4. Skydio 2 Plus. There are a lot of drones on the market right now, all offering something slightly different. However, Skydio's 2 Plus has a unique feature we have yet to see elsewhere that helps it to stand out. Through a technology known as keyframe, you can plan out routes that the Skydio 2 Plus will follow. You can define complex camera movements and then choose what speed the drone will approach these routes. Skydio's aim with this feature was to give anyone the ability to get clean drone shots no matter their skill level. Equally, you can use this feature to film yourself doing something if you need someone to pilot it. Number 5. Apple Watch Ultra. Apple has been making its watch series for a good few years, most of which have followed roughly the same formula. The Apple Watch Ultra takes all of the good bits of previous designs and piles as much as possible on top. While the result is a smartwatch that is by no means cheap, it has also resulted in the perfect device for athletes of all practices. Apple has kept drivers, climbers, tennis players, martial artists, and everyone in between in mind. It is durable, water resistance up to 100 meters, can deal with extremely low and high temperatures, has an impressive 36-hour battery life, and has detailed apps to track your fitness and health. You've watched the video so far, so I'm sure you'll make the right decision on the tech you want to buy after this. What are your thoughts on the video? Please leave them in the comment section below. Kindly share and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and enlightening videos. You can also click on the bell icon to turn on post notifications so you get notified anytime we upload a video. For now, goodbye.